Introducing the Wagan Tech Dome USB Lantern, a multi-function lantern that provides brilliant illumination where you need it. With 12 LEDs, the Wagan Tech Dome USB Lantern can produce an output of 220 lumens on high, while offering low and SOS lighting modes. The Wagan Tech Dome USB Lantern has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can be charged from nearly any USB power port using its built-in USB cable. The USB output power port allows you to charge your smartphone and any other electronic devices while on the go. With 4 battery status lights, it is easy to tell the battery status at a glance. The integrated hanging hooks, anti-skid rubber feet, and strong magnets make it easy to hang the light in a tent, attached to a metal surface, or anywhere it's needed. The Wagan Tech Dome USB Lantern, conveniently bright.